Today we are dealing with a bad FPC connector on the iPad Pro 12.9 inch. This here, we're going to be changing the connectors on the Flux cable. That's how one of the connectors looks like. I mean, honestly, we can bend it back in like this. But I do see that the plastic deformed on the edges here. The connector is not going in. Right now I have the screen laid down on the bench like this, and the cables are sitting on this board holder. I'm going to start at 320. I do not think we need more heat. And 90 airspeed. Let's see if that will work. Yep. And let's do the other one. We get this a lot. A customer brings a screen that he tried to install by himself on an iPhone or iPad, and he ends up damaging the FEC connector. The connector should never be forced into the board. Once it's forced in, pins will bend and the plastic molds on the edges will deform. So right now we are trying to save this 12.9 inch screen. Okay, that's enough. Now the Flux cable is wobbling up and down. I'm gonna put a piece of tape on it so we can secure it down. Maybe Captain tape. And we have a customer, just a minute. Be right there. Let's grab a connector. Those connectors will be sold on our website. Okay. So right there. It fell down right in place. More interruptions, just a minute. The connector is down in place. All we have to do is apply heat. Let me put the airspeed down to maybe 20. We do not want that connector flying away. Okay. And yes, perfect. Now if I want, I can touch on those pins. I do not have to, but we can do it. If it makes some of you feel better. Because some people always have something to complain about. Like the last video I posted, for the iPad Pro, 9.7 inch with black screen. Nothing was coming on the screen, and the title was no power. The tablet came in for no power, and the person said it should be labeled as no backlight and not no power. The reason we put no power, because the tablet came in for no power, and the average person will search, the key term that he searches in Google is iPad Pro not turning on. People do not know what a backlight is. So in order for people to find that video, we need to have the right search term. So it says no power because the tablet came in for no power. Let's touch up on the pins here. Very good. And let's do this one here. This side. And this connector is done. Let's do the other one.
I'm wondering if you have a bunch of old routers lying around. I'm only looking to buy the antenna.
And somebody came in. Be right there. And that's it. The job is done. Okay, so both connectors are in. And hopefully the battery is charged so we can try it. Let's see. Battery sign. So we did a good job because we are able to see the image on the screen, which means the connectors are soldered on properly. I hope you enjoyed this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions, and we'll do something else in the next video.